So while I'm printing on some canvases here, I wanted to go over the different types of vertical printers on the market. I've talked to a lot of people that have owned many different types, but to sum it up, there's really only three types of printers, I would say. First of all, the cheap ones you can buy on Alibaba for like a couple $1,000s. I would not recommend these. There's just all kinds of problems that come with these, and you really don't have the support, which is one of the most important things when you're in the printing space, especially with a new technology. The second type of printer I would say is the more mass manufactured, but they'll have US distributors and support systems. They work pretty well. They can be a bit heavy and clunky and hard to move around, but if you can learn to manage them over time, you can turn a business out of them. And then the last type of machine is the German machine, which is what we use for our printing applications. This one runs about 70,000 versus the 30,000 for the more high-end Chinese machines. But this one breaks down into bags. You can carry it on site with you, makes it a lot easier. It's also a lot more reliable and easy to work with. Will there be other printers in the future that come into this market? I don't know. Possibly, and if there are, we'll certainly cover those and talk about them. But for now, those are your three main options, and I would recommend the German machine for anybody that's looking to get into it. This doesn't have as much of a learning curve. It's still a good bit. You're still going to learn some about printing tech, about Photoshop, and about operating the printer in general. But it's a much more straightforward process.